Type your text. Select the Line Segment tool. Make a straight line. Pick a stroke color. I use a weight of 5. Hold Alt plus Shift and drag the line down to duplicate it. Press Ctrl plus D to create more lines. Use the Selection tool to select the text. Go to Object. Arrange. Bring to front. Place the text on top of the lines. Select everything. And make a clipping mask. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials. 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Position, Off-axis front. Adjust the extrude depth to your liking. You can also use a different position, for example isometric top. And that's how you create this 3D striped text. Check the link in the description for more text effect tutorials.